case you need to set it up for an RS485 or an RS422, which is the same, almost the same for our board, from a jumper setting point of view, what you would need to do is you would need to set up as specified in the manual. You would first need to enable the RS485 mode. So you would set up switch number 2, right, pins to the on position. The entire bank will be on the on position. So when we come back to the board, this is switch number 2. When I want to enable RS485, I put all the jumpers, all the bank, right, all the dip switches are on the on position. Okay, so the switch number 2, RS485, is set up to the on position. Now you've got the option of setting it up for a 2-wire RS485 or a 4-wire RS485. Okay, and if you want to set it up for a 2-wire RS485, then you would put the switch number 1, all of it on the on position, and the switch for the 4-wire RS485 on the off position if you want the 4-wire setup. So just as an example, I wanted to show you how to set it up for the 2-wire. So if you look at the switch number 1, I've set it all on the on position, okay, which is to where it's labeled on the dip switches, okay. So it's on the on position, okay. That's for a 2-wire setup. If I want to set it for a 4-wire setup, that's easy. You just put it all on the off position. So here, let's do it. Okay, so I'm setting it for a 4-wire, and now you are in a 4-wire setup instead of a 2-wire RS485. Okay, so we put them all switched to the off position. So this switch is where you decide whether it's a 2-wire or a 4-wire. The last step that you would have to follow in accordance with the manual is you would have to set up JP11 or jumper number 11, and that would have to be set up to the 1-2 position for 5, 7, 8, 10, 11, 13, 14, 16, 17, 19, 20, right? So just to demonstrate that on the board, we've got it in here, and you have it set up to this position on the jumper. So that's jumper 1, or the first bank of 3 pins, is set up to position 2 and 3, and then 5 and 6, and then 8 and 9, and then 11 and 12, 14 and 15, 17 and 18, 20 and 21. Okay, so just to summarize all of this from an entire board point of view, you've got 3 jumper position, 2 dip switches, and 1 jumper bank that you would need to set up. Switch number 1 would need to be all on the on position. Switch number 2, depending on whether you're using a 2-wire, you will put it all on the on position. If you're using a 4-wire, you will put it all on the off position. And then JP11 need to be on the position of jumpers 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 11, 12, 14, 15, 17, 18, 20, 21.